deal is.
It's crazy. Everything's gone. Can you believe this? It damaged this much.
Yeah, you should have seen the tornado tape. That thing was just ravaging hay. You should have seen it. It was just going off.
What do you mean?
It was like a big, huge tornado that touched down. Huge.
I wonder who recorded it. Who got it?
I don't know. Somebody standing up in the distance got it. Smashing things out. What are you dealing with? They said they got people in Dillon's out there.
When we were.
Yeah. Let's see if I can't pick up JT today. Get his ass out and help me.
You're still searching for people.
Yeah, inside there.
Underclothes.
That would be devastating if it hit twice in one spot. I just can't see a tornado touching down twice in one spot. It's never happened.